Alright, Tech Tuesdays. We're in Tremblant, pre-riding the Canada Cup. Young Matt F here has failed to do his bolt check, and you can see he's got this fashionable one shoe on, one shoe off, while Taylor Neer of Trexter Toronto does a little fix for him. Basically, we had a bolt fall out and had to rotate his shoe off the pedal, which worked really well. And now Taylor actually has donated a disc brake bolt, one of the Torx bolts, so have your Torx and have your disc brakes with the Torx. And it actually conveniently will get you home in most cases. So Taylor is tightening in that Torx bolt now into Matt F's shoe. I don't know if we'll see that, but that's a good try. And now Matt F can
safely get home.
Get over this fashion faux pas, and maybe we can start riding again. So, quick little tip, random fix on the bike, someday save your friend. Rotate your shoe off the pedal when that one bolt's really loose and you can't actually unclip, and then use your Torx bolt, or I think a bottle cage bolt might actually get you home too. So, play with that, let us know how it works. See you next week.